Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through a super useful skill, how to add a new page in Squarespace. Whether you're building your site, expanding your business, or just want a fresh space for new content, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create and name a brand new page, quickly and confidently. So, let's dive right in and give your website some room to grow. First things first, open up Squarespace. If you've never opened it before, just head over to squarespace.com and log in with your credentials. Think of this like unlocking the door to your digital workspace. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard, which might display several sites if you're managing multiple projects. Select the website where you want to add your new page. This step is key. Make sure you're working on the right site. Sometimes we hurry and click the wrong one, so just take a second and double check. Once selected, you'll land in the site editing area where all the magic happens. Now, let's find the Pages section. It's usually on the menu on the left. Clicking Pages is like opening your site's table of contents. Here, you'll see all your current pages: Home, About, Contact, and so on. It's a great way to stay organized and visualize how your visitors will navigate your content. To add a new page, look for the plus sign, the plus, often found at the top or bottom of your current page list. This little icon is your gateway to new possibilities. Click that plus, and you'll be offered a few options, like adding a regular page, a blog, or other specialty pages. For now, we'll choose Blank Page. Picking a blank page gives you a fresh canvas, ready for your ideas, products, galleries, whatever you want to showcase. After clicking Blank Page, you'll be prompted to name your new page. This is the part where you set the tone for your visitors. Is it going to be services, portfolio, gallery, or something else? Go ahead and type in a name that clearly reflects what the page is all about. Remember, page names not only help you stay organized, but they also quickly communicate to visitors what they'll find. If you're unsure, don't sweat it. Squarespace lets you adjust page names later, so if you change your mind, it's just a few clicks to update. And that's it, your new page is live. So simple, yet so empowering. You now have a new space on your site, ready to be customized and filled with your unique content. Adding pages is a building block in website design, and mastering this step helps you shape the online experience for your visitors. You can customize this page with texts, images, videos, products, whatever fits your vision. So if you made it this far, congratulations on taking another step toward mastering your Squarespace site. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. It seriously helps the channel. If you have any questions about Squarespace, or you run into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you want more step-by-step guides to grow your skills and your website, hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.